Hi everyone. Today our topic is how to use Apache Jmeter test script recorder. The main intention is the how to use the test script recorder. Okay, that one will be used to you need to record the script now. What are the features is available? How to use that one, and you have to face any JMeter script recording now. That time how we need to solve that issues. This all the things today you need to discuss this video. Okay, first of all you need to open the JMeter tool and you need to prepare the recording the script. Recording the script means that is the test script recorder you need to add and you need to use it. How we need to do? Okay, yeah, first of all you need to go to the JMeter. I will open this one. Yeah, this is the JMeter. Version is 5.4. In 5.4 version it's available only test plan only. There is nothing else remaining, any features, the type of things is not available, only test plan only is there. This is by default element. Previous versions available test plan and workbench, but it's a latest version only test plan only available. Okay, how you need to start? You need to use to the test script recorder. Okay, first of all you need to right click test plan, add, go to thread and thread group. You need to add under thread group. You need to add the go to logical controller, go to recording controller. You need to add thread group. You can go to directly listeners. You need to add the view results tree. That is enough for the thread group point of view. After workbench, go to add, go to directly non-test element, go to https test script recorder. This is the https test script recorder. Okay, https test script recorder, the mainly used for the intention and main objective is you need to record the script through proxy level through any browser, that is Internet Explorer, Firefox, Opera, Google Chrome or Safari, any browser. Through proxy you need to use at Windows, Linux, Mac operating systems. Java is a Java and JMeter both are, it's a platform independent. You will work and you will run the any operating system. The operating system is not a matter. Okay, anywhere in the work. After the test script recorder used to you need to capture the request through browser operations. Means the user what are the options will be clicking or submitting or launching anything. The request and response based through network he will capture the all the request. That is only is called technical terminology. It's a script the based on business flow. Okay, this is the element JMeter Apache company will provide a test script recorder. Okay, test script recorder, the name will be provided. You need to provide any comment. You can see this is the actually previous versions, the start button available in below. Okay, after 4.0 version you will change it to, you will come to the top place. Okay, this is start button. Once you need to start the test, the request capturing will be started. First the root temporary root CS certificate will become. After once it's disappear, there is a transactions will become. Okay, you need to provide the transactions also and you will capture the request. Okay, previous version there is no any transactions anything, just you need to start the button and you need to proceed the flow. The latest version only will provide how load runner will give in the same type only. This is the start button. You need to perform the start, your recording will be started. Stop means you need to stop. Restart means this all the features, anything middle of the time anything will failure or something will be happen, that time you need to start the restart. Automatically this button also will be enabled. Restart, the features everything will reback to provide the previous configurations and immediately start recording will be started. This is the port number. I need to provide the based on port number only. I will provide the 8080. Okay, I will provide this port number. You no need to provide any HTTPS domains. You have anything domains? Yes, you need to provide. But there is a format. You can see the Pop-up will be showing a list of domain names of HTTPS URL. Example, jmeter.apache.org. Same, that is only name. You no need to provide https colon double backward slash apache.jmeter.org. Don't provide that way. There is a format, you need to provide that one. And there is a two types this one is test plan creation, one is request filtering. Now test plan creation, there is a test plan content target controller. Target means where you need to store to the all the request. I will select test plan thread group recording controller. Is a tree based will work na recording controller. Neoload also same only, tree based only. Okay, recording controller. Grouping, there are so many options. Once you need to click on you can see do not group samples. Add separate between groups. Put each group in a new controller. Store first samplers of each group only. Put each group in a new transaction controller. Okay, you need to select first one. Do not group the samples. Everyone will be gamed separately. Grouping, capturing HTTP headers. Okay, you can capture the HTTP headers also, and you need to provide any add assertions and regular expression matching also will provide. After HTTP sampler settings. Okay, HTTP sampler settings means the request, HTTP request, anything you need to provide the example, you will provide the transaction names. You can provide directly transaction names this place, and you need to perform the operation, you need to come and you need to provide this place also. And once test will be started now, there is a transactions also will be running, that place also you need to provide. Name schema, it's a prefix, suffix, transaction name, used format string. This all the features is available in transactions only available. Okay, counter start value, you will provide, you need to provide any counter start value now, 2 3 5 or 10, any value you need to provide. Set the counter. Create new transaction after request. Okay, every request after you need to create any transaction, you need to provide the transaction name. Okay, regarding default encoding, default encoding is UTF-8 only, it's a universal format only, there is no anything. Okay, otherwise you need any another any separate format, you need to provide that format details. After regarding default encodings means one is this one, and this is also, this all the features also available. Retrieve all embedded resources, retrieve automatically, follow redirects, use keep live. This all the methods you need to use based on your requirement. Type based on this is also based on your interest only, you can use. Okay, HTTP client for Java, this is already old one only, there is no any new development, this is old one only. Most of the time you can use the HTTP client 4 only will use. Okay, GraphQL HTTP sampler settings, detect GraphQL request. Guys, now I am currently working project, you will use the GraphQL. You know what is the difference between GraphQL and database SQL queries? The SQL queries or any REST APIs, these three, what is the difference now? SQL query, you need to write the query and you will get the data. One is table names will provided, the column names will provided, and data will be provided. Which one you are expecting? First one. And the second one, you have any REST API. REST API, once you need to execute now, the entire data will be given. The data is where is available, you will find out and you will directly show to the output. But coming to GraphQL point of view, it's a totally different. It's a majorly will using mobile companies. Example, GraphQL will developed by Facebook company. Okay, why you need to develop to the Facebook means the Facebook company, it's a worldwide. Okay, the billions of the members will be using the Facebook. There are so much of huge data. Every time the people is searching or something, you need to type anything, that is a query. Technical terminology is a query. Every time the people will be click and you need to search something, our friends are sending any messages, anything, what will happen in Facebook company, it's not able to provide that much of huge data. Okay na, entire output will be sending to the user mobile na. It's the request will moving to server and you need to processing and you need to get all data and you need to show. This is will take very long time, and most number of time the performance will be impacted and will running very slowly, and users also it's irritating and moving to some other apps. Okay, that reason only GraphQL will be kept. GraphQL what you will do na, example there is some database, employee id, employee name, salary, anything is available, there is around 1000 rows. I need employee id, name, salary. Okay, every three available. I need 2021 December month salary only I need. Exactly gunshot answer level he will provide the only the December 2021 salary only, that amount only will showing. That's all. That's the way the performance will be increased. But GraphQL how we need to develop now, it's a REST API level will be developed. Okay, that is the main work will be doing to the GraphQL request. But the GraphQL also one type of protocol guys, you need to learn. This is also very one of the important. Most of the time banking application will be working this one. Okay, after you can go to the request filtering. Request filtering include and exclude. Include means you need to provide the type of format, that is .jpg, bitmap, icons, or any type of format. The format will be captured. Content time filter means the capture. Include means you will capture that request also. Exclude means you will provide the same format. Example, I will provide the .jpj, sorry, jpg, that is the format. Okay, single one, you need multiple one, pipe symbol. I will provide any another example, doc pipe symbol. You need to provide the within the pipe symbol you will provide it na, that five that formats of data extensions you did not capture the through request level. Script recording time, this is the URL pattern include. You can add and you need to provide the patterns na, that patterns will be captured. You URL pattern exclude means the patterns is not captured. I will click on the add suggested excludes. Suggestion means by default this formats is not captured. And you need to provide any extra level na, you need to provide first one. Okay, you can provide the dot and star also you need to provide. He never captured any unnecessary formats. This is one will be denoted then, and this one you need to save. The name is called recorder I will provide and I need to save. Okay. Okay, notify child listeners after filter samplers. It's a not required this one also. Okay, I'm already done my setups guys. This one it's done. Okay, now I need to go to I will, yeah, this is my application guys. How we need to find out this application now, you can go to Google and type the Jmeter store. It's a web-based demo application. Yeah, you can click on enter this store. Yeah, this application will become same application URL only will be taken to Internet Explorer. Okay, in Internet Explorer you have to do some settings. The settings means first click on settings, internet options, go to connections, setting the LAN settings, remove this one and set this one, process server settings. My it's a local computer now, I will provide the local host. Your mission point of view provide the company or mission IP address 8080, same port you can use. You need any you need to upload the Jmeter root certificate. That time click on content, a certificate, you can go to trusted root certificate. Jmeter I am already imported. You also you need to click import, and you need to import it to the root CA certificate. That time will be recognized this site. You need to record this script. That is the security reasons. Once everything will be done, you can click on enter. The page is, it's not recognized. The reason test is not started. You can see the process server is not responding. You properly configure to the server. Okay, this one also will done. Now you can go to the Jmeter bin folder. You can see this is the temporary root CA certificate, Apache Jmeter temporary root CA certificate. This one only need to import. Okay, this process everything will be done. After, what you need to do now, you need to start the recording. In start the recording, before I need to show one thing. You can go to the, in Google Chrome, Jmeter user manual test script recorder. You can type. Okay, Jmeter user manual test script recorder. Just a minute. You need to remove this one, otherwise it's a blocking everything. Okay. Yes, now it's work. Okay, first link only you can select test script recorder. Yes guys, you can see 26 in user manual, Apache Jmeter HTTPS test script recorder. You will provide all the details, HTTPS and Jmeter configuration, how you need to configure to the Jmeter Java JDK, all the things, and basic instructions will be provided. You need to launch the jmeter.bat or jmeter.sh. It's a Windows computers, it's a Linux and Mac computers. It's a templates. You can select any this option. The template will be open. No need to recording all the things you need to create, by default already created. You need to select the template recording and click on create. It's automatically will created. This is the way only you need to create it. Now also I am also same only, you need to create this one. You can see there is a path, protocol, server name or IP. You need to provide all the things in HTTP request also. Otherwise directly you need to provide the recording controller also. You can see the global settings is by default available 8888, but you need to provide the any separate port number also. And configuring your browser. In 4.0 versions is available Chrome, IE, Firefox, all the browsers is available. What are the settings you need to done? But it's a latestly only Firefox only will provided. It's a configuring your browser to use the Jmeter proxy. Okay, you can see, go open to the settings options, go to preferences and advanced, select the network. In network only you need to select the manual proxy configuration. One is localhost, one is 8888. Okay, and record your navigation. You can proceed to the your steps. Okay, validate the script. Just you need to validate means the properly will record or not, you need to check. Variable and correlate the script means you need to do the correlation. And start the test. Start means just you need to run one time summary report, you able to validate is properly working or not, all the request. You need to read one time guys this one HTTP test script recorder, how we need to work. Okay, my explanation is you not understand. Jmeter company also will provide at this one, Apache company. This a small document, just 5 minutes time only. You can read this one, you can understand how we need to use. Okay, now we need to go back and go to connections, LAN and settings. It's done. Okay, now it's done. You need to start the recording. Yeah, you need to click on that one. It's a recording will be started guys. You can go to directly this place. Yeah, you can enter now. It's automatically the page will be open. After you need to click on sign in. Enter the username and password J2E password also J2E. Click on login. Once page will be open, click on to the fish, select the first one, select the add to cart, proceed to checkout, continue, confirm. Finally the pages will be directly product will be booked. Click on sign out. Yes guys, it's done this one. Click on just stop. Once will be done, you can see there are so many requests will be captured. There is no unnecessary. You can click on this one. Pet store, 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 pet store. There is nothing else na outside of request he never captured. Okay. This is the way guys, you need to record that one and just I need to run. Okay, it's done. This is dynamic value is there, that reason only is failed. Okay, everything successfully worked na. This is the way only you need to record this script, and this purpose only mainly using for any type of application will be recording. It's a web based or cloud or mobile or desktop applications also will be recording to the Jmeter tool. Okay, and our goal is how to use Apache Jmeter test script recorder. It's done. Our topic is completed. Yeah, that's all guys. This video I will connect to the my next video. Thank you very much for everyone.